To fix the GE air conditioner EH06 error code 2025, follow these steps. First, understand what the error code means. The 2025 error code typically indicates a problem with the air conditioner's temperature sensor or thermostat. This issue may cause the air conditioner to malfunction or not turn on at all. Start by turning off the air conditioner and unplugging it from the power source to ensure your safety while working on it. Next, locate the temperature sensor, usually found near the evaporator coils or inside the air handler unit. Inspect the sensor for any signs of damage, dust, or debris that may be interfering with its operation. If the sensor is dirty, gently clean it with a soft brush or a cloth to remove any dust or debris. If the sensor is damaged, you may need to replace it with a new one. Make sure to purchase a replacement sensor that is compatible with your GE air conditioner model. Once you have cleaned or replaced the temperature sensor, plug the air conditioner back in and turn it on. Check to see if the error code 2025 is still displayed on the control panel. If the error code persists, the issue may be with the thermostat. Check the thermostat settings to ensure they are correctly configured. If you have a programmable thermostat, try resetting it to its default settings. If you have a non-programmable thermostat, try adjusting the temperature setting to see if it resolves the issue. If none of these steps resolve the error code 2025, it is recommended to contact a professional HVAC technician to diagnose and repair the issue. They will be able to perform a more detailed diagnosis and provide the necessary repairs to get your GE air conditioner working properly again. Remember to always follow safety precautions when working with electrical appliances, and consult your user manual or manufacturer's website for specific instructions on troubleshooting and repairing your GE air conditioner. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the GE air conditioner EH06 error code 2025 and get your air conditioner working efficiently again.